What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. Thanks for checking me out, okay? So today we're going to be doing some baked spaghetti. Alright, now I got some fancy noodles over here, and we got our whole tomatoes, and we got a sauce and a little Italian seasoning, alright? So you already know. Let's get started. Now, of course, we got to start with these noodles. You know, you can't make the spaghetti without the noodles, right? So, we get those and we're going to boil those and get those cooked, all right? Now, let's give it a nice little stir. Got a little salt in there, too. Okay, so I've gone ahead and started grinding my meat. So, I got some ground beef and Italian sausage. That's how we do it over here. Italian sausage. I got spicy, all right? Chunky. Onion. I like my stuff chunky. That's what I do, all right? I go ahead and season it with some seasoning, salt, pepper, a little of that Italian seasoning. I've drained the oil off of it as well. Okay, so you want to do that now. Let's get started with adding in these ingredients. Now, I prefer whole peeled tomatoes. This is how I like to do mine, and I prefer the tomatoes being imported from Italy. So you just make sure you read the can and make sure, you know, I just prefer it that way. I've learned that from the cook shows that those are the best. So I'm not going to challenge them on what's the best and what's not, you know. So we're going to add those in and just chop those in there. Now, you want to kind of taste your food again. Like I said, the ingredients is just a guideline. So you want to, as you're cooking, you're tasting and you're sampling where your seasonings is, because you might need to add in a little more salt. You might need to add in a little more pepper, because tomatoes has an acidity. You might need to add in a little sugar. I know people be frowning about why you putting sugar in it. Just a little bit, not much. Now, got this marinara. I like marinara's pasta sauce. You know why? Because when I get mozzarella sticks, that's what we dip in that in the marinara, and the sauce is the bomb, and I like it, and I want my spaghetti to taste like that. Okay? So, we're just gonna mix this up real nice. Alright, it's smelling really good too, by the way, you guys. Alright, so y'all make sure y'all subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, leave a comment and tell me what you think, you know? And then, you know, you might want to even give me a little heart. I appreciate that, alright? Alright, you see what's going on over here. It's bubbling, and it's just about there. Alright? So we're just gonna mix that up. And, you know, I got a little bay leaf in there, too. Yeah, I remember my granny would throw the big bay leaves in there. She put bay leaves in a lot of stuff. Let me sample and see where this is. Okay, it's straight. Now, I like to use fresh mozzarella. I don't want to use the bag. This is not even, I mean, a little more expensive, but it's worth it, okay? Trust me. And I ain't gonna lie, I've used it in the bag, but, you know, I prefer this. All right, there we go. Now, those noodles are done, all right? So we just gonna pour those into this pot, and then we are going to be mixing in that spaghetti sauce, okay? So let's get that started. And you gotta be careful with this. You know, bloop, 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 bloop. It was splashing. I didn't get none on my white shirt either. So just gonna mix that up, all right? Give it a nice mix. I can eat it just like this, to be honest, y'all. Now, got it in my aluminum pan. I'm not trying to do no dishes and clean up after them. Get rid of it. What's left in it is left in it. See how good that looks? I'm just gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna put some down on the bottom of the pan. Okay? Just give it a nice layer, like so. Oh man, this really smells good, you guys. Alright, now we're going to put that mozzarella on there, okay? Give it a nice layer of mozzarella. Put the mozzarella. Now we got the thyme and basil. I'm sorry, basil. Dripping. I didn't chop it. Just pick it off. This comes from out of my garden. So you always want to keep you an herb garden. Real talk. You know, have some fresh herbs. You know, they ain't hard to grow. You put them in like nice lit board, a lit area, and you be straight. Okay. And you see what I'm doing there? All right, we just layer it like a lasagna. All right. Now I'm just gonna smooth it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna add in just a little more of that basil because I still got some left. Might as well just put that on there real quick, okay? Before I put another layer of cheese. Yep, I'm getting ready to put another layer of cheese up on here. Yeah, cheddar, bam, you see it. Yes, I know I'm poking and putting my fingers all in this here. It's mine, all right? There you go. And it'll be yours. And you can put your fingers all in it if you want, as long as they clean. You ain't licking them and putting them back in there. She ready. You see that? There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Now, I got these buns, hot dog buns, and I don't want to go to waste. My grandma would use bread or any time to make garlic bread. Yep, this is going to be the garlic bread. Alright? So we're just going to layer it with some butter real quick. And now we're going to put that garlic powder. Bam! Garlic powder. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. But you got to kind of watch it. You got to do a side view of it to make sure you ain't sprinkling too much on there and overpowering it, okay? Unless you like a lot of garlic. Alright, we done. Let me get that bread. You see what I'm saying? Let me bring that bun over here so you can see it, see? Now, that's what I'm talking about. You sop that up with your spaghetti. Alright? Now, let me get some of this dry Parmesan cheese. I thought I had some fresh, but I didn't. Alright? So we can give it a taste. And then, well, let me get this bread out of here first so we can make some room and sprinkle some pepper on here. I got me some fresh ground pepper. Yeah, like I said, let me get that bread. That bread is in the way. Alright, well, I'm coming back to you. Don't you worry about a thing. Okay, I'm tripping again. Alright, let's give it a nice little taste. Yep, come on. You playing. Stop playing with the folks, alright? Whoa, now that's fire. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, y'all? So, hey, when you make this spaghetti and you use that marinara sauce, I'm telling you, that's the trick, alright? So, y'all, thank you for watching What You Cooking Roach. Alright? Bye-bye.